Question 1. The line models the relationship between body weight and foot length for a group of infants. Based on the model, what is the predicted weight of an infant with a foot length of 9 centimeters? So 9 centimeters would be here somewhere. So it will be between 6 and 8, so 7. Line segment AC has a length of 120 and contains point B. Okay, let's say this is AC and this is 120. Contains the point B. If AB is 5x plus 20 and BC is 6x minus 10, which equation shows the relationship between the lengths of these segments? So AB plus BC should be 120. So AB is 5x plus 20 plus 6x minus 10 is 120. What is the solution to the given system of equations? So x is 4. So y is 4 by 4 plus 2. 1 plus 2, which is 3. So 4 comma 3. The function f is defined by 2x plus 6. What is the graph of y is equal to fx? So 2x plus 6, 2 is the slope and 6 is the y-intercept. So this has a y-intercept of 6. This has a negative slope, so this is out. This has a negative slope, so this is out, and this has a negative slope. So the only possible answer should be A, and let's verify the slope. So we have 0, 6, and let's look at this one. Minus 4, minus 2. So the slope will be 8 by 4, which is indeed 2. So A. The graph of the quadratic function fx is shown where y is fx. Which of the following would be the graph of y is equal to fx plus 2? So that will be 2 units above this graph. So that looks like option A, B, C, and D. Yeah, so B, C, and D do not show an upward shift. The function q is defined by qx is 5 times minus 1 to the power x. What is the value of q6? So q6 will be 5 times minus 1 to the power 6, which is 5 times 1, so 5. Which value is a solution to the given equation? So if you take the numerator, then x can be 4 or negative 2. But x equal to 4 is an extraneous root because it would make the denominator 0 and the function would be left undefined. So minus 2 is the only possible solution. What is an equation of the graph shown? So the vertex here is 6, 4, right? So the vertex form of the graph is a into x minus h whole square plus k. So it will be a into x minus 6 whole square plus 4, right? And because it's a graph that opens downward, a has to be negative. So minus 1. So minus x minus 6 whole squared plus 4, option C. In the figure shown, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, such that B corresponds to D and C corresponds to E. The measure of angle ABC is 60 versus the measure of angle ADE. So if they are similar, obviously this angle is equal to this angle. So if the measure of angle ABC is 60, then ADE is also 60 degrees. Wait, B corresponds to D and C corresponds to E. Angle ABC is 60. 80. Is there an error in this question? Let's check. Okay, option D is 60 degrees. Not, what does it say here? Yeah, not 0, it's 60. Yeah, so this is the right answer. Okay. The graph models the relationship between the area of rainforest A in square miles and the predicted number of flowering plant species found in that area. What equation represents this relationship? So there is no y-intercept, so it will simply be y is equal to mx, where m is the slope. So we can use this point 40 comma 15,000. So the slope will be 15,000 by 40. So that will be 4 3s are 12 or 375. So y is 375x, which in this case is option B. Okay, the given equation relates the numbers p and n, where n is not 0 and p is greater than 3, which equation expresses n in terms of p. So p minus 3 is 2 by n, so n is 2 by p minus 3. C. In the given system of equations, p is a constant. The system has no solution. What is the value of p? So for no solution, the two lines have to be parallel, which means their slope should be equal. So p should be 3. Which of the following expressions is equal to the given expression where x and y are positive? Okay, so if I open the brackets, I get root x into root x plus root x into root y. So this becomes x and this becomes root xy. So x plus root xy. Joe was asked to memorize a list of 200 words and he was assessed on his memorization of the words over 3 days. On day 1, he remembered all 200 words. On each of the next 2 days, he remembered 10% fewer words than he did the preceding day. How many words did Joe remember on day 3? Okay, so day 2, he remembered 0.9 times 200. And day 3, it would be 0.9 times this number, right? So that would be 0.81 into 200. So that would be 162. Yes. In the xy plane, the graph of the given equation is a circle. What is the length of the radius of this circle? So x square plus y square minus 16x minus 4y plus 32 is 0. So we have to convert it into standard form, which is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is r squared, where h comma k is the coordinates of the center and r is the radius. So x square and minus 16x. So we can write it as 2x into 8. So we'll add the square of 8. And y square minus 2y into 2. So we add the square of 2. And we take 32 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 32. And we add 8 square and 2 square to the right hand side because we have added them to the left hand side. Now, these three terms become x minus 8 squared. And these three terms become y minus 2 squared. And I get minus 32 plus 64 plus 4, which is 32 plus 4, which is 36. So my center is 8, 2, and my radius is 6. What positive value of x satisfies the given equation? So 2x can be plus minus 64. So x can be plus minus 32. So the positive value is 32. The equation of line k is this. What is the slope of a line that is parallel to line k? So it will have the same slope. So 7. If 2 by 3 p plus 4 is 10, what is 3p? So 2 by 3 p is 10 minus 4, 6. So p is 6 into 3 by 2, which is 9. So 3p will be 27. In the given expression is written in this form, what is the value of d? Okay, so x cube minus 6x plus 5 times 3x square plus 2. So 3x to the power 5 plus 2x cube minus 18x cube minus 12x plus 15x square plus 10, right? So if you bring the like terms together, 3x to the power 5 plus 2 minus 18, so minus 16x cube plus 15x square minus 12x plus 10. So d is the coefficient of x square, so that's 15. The figure shows the mast of a boat that is installed perpendicular to the deck of the boat. The mast is secured by a rope that is anchored to the deck. The rope measures 17 feet to make an angle of x degrees with the mast. The point where the rope is attached is 15 feet above the deck. What is the value of tan x? Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, this distance will be square root of 17 square minus 15 square. So 289 minus 225. So that's 8, right? So this distance is 8. So tan x will be opposite over adjacent. So that will be 8 by 15. Okay, let's grade this. Question 1. B, D, B, double A. B, D, B, A. Number 6. C, D, C, D, B. C, D, C, D, B. 11. C, D, A, B, B. C, D, A, B, B. And 16. 32, 7, 27. 32, 7, 27. 19, 9 and 8 by 15. 9 and 8 by 15. Okay, so let's do this. X cube minus 6x plus 5 and 3x square plus 2. So 3x to the power 5 plus 2x cube minus 18x cube minus 12x plus 15x square plus 10. Okay. 3x to the power 5 minus 16x cube plus 15x square minus 12x plus 10. And we have to find... Oh, I think there's some mistake in this question. Let me check the original question. Was supposed to be x cube minus 6x plus 5 and 3x square plus x. Okay. 3x square plus x. Okay, this is x, not 2. Okay, so if this is x, then how does it change? 3x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4. Okay, minus 18x cube minus 6x squared. Okay, plus 15x squared plus 5x. Okay, so then your final value becomes 3x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus 18x cube minus 6 plus 15 plus 9x squared plus 5x, right? And since we have to find the coefficient of x squared, it would be 9. Yeah.